Hello everyone. Welcome to the comforting zone. Today I will show you some cool gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video. Anjuli is more than just a phone shell. It's the future of new mobile phone kits. With 3 years in the making and 2 patents, Anjuli is unlike any phone shell you've ever seen before, and you'll enjoy it like never before. When your phone accidentally drops, Anjuli can sense it in real time and quickly pops up the protection. Yes, just like Iron Man's battle armor. Anjuli Smart Armor is the future of mobile phone protection development, a smarter, cooler, playful, future device that belongs to the modern age. It is a smart and sophisticated mobile phone device that allows you to face every mistake with grace. When you accidentally drop your Anjuli-equipped phone while using it, you'll wish you were in a more crowded place to enjoy the safety and coolness that Anjuli brings. Anjuli's unique ejectable double shields provide unparalleled stability and security if the phone is dropped. Less than half a second response time allows it to handle any emergency with ease. If anyone asks me at this moment what is different about Anjuli, my answer will be like this: from the moment you hold it in your hands, you will see the difference by yourself. Next gadget is Grip Gear Director's Set. This is the gear for video creators, or a pocket-sized professional motion control kit used by National Geographic and other movie cameramen. The world's smallest remote-controlled camera motion control kit with a motor that's interchangeable and covers from micro dolly to camera slider and panoramic mount all in one kit. Make magical movements in your time-lapse videography at super slow speeds. This has been made from the good stuff, made with reinforced plastic covering tensile alloy weight-bearing joints. Includes 2.5 hours rechargeable battery, operates vertically or even upside down.
Shellwell is the lifestyle of the next generation. We need more functionality and versatility, but our cosmetic bags are still limited and breathe the dust of the ages. After careful worldwide research of women's needs, we created Shellwell, the world's first extremely roomy, smart cosmetic bag. 10 in 1. Ingenious and innovative, meeting all the challenges of the 21st century woman. Makeup, power bank, Medi-Kit phone stand, sunglasses, shampoo, comb, and jewelry on top? Will it ever be possible to fit everything into one case? Well, this is exactly what Shellwell is for. Shellwell comes in 2 hardcover cases. The small one is for every day. Its extension is perfect for travels, business trips, the gym, or whatever else pops up in your life. The 2 fit together in a smart and easy way. All the makeup fits into the small case. We know 77% of women would like to take their charging capacity with them, but it often doesn't fit. That's why we embedded Power Bank into the Shellwell. Mind-blowing. At the top, we added a folding phone and tablet pad, a perfect solution for unexpected e-meetings wherever they find you. Wow, this is truly amazing.
LIFX Smart Switch was designed to solve a fundamental problem with all lights, smart or standard. This problem seems basic in theory. To use a light, it has to be turned on through a power source. Simple, right? But when you want to use voice control, or schedule your lights to turn on in the morning to wake you, you don't want to have to flick a switch on first. That defeats the purpose. And surely your non-smart switch leaves you high and dry when you say, "Alexa, turn on the lights," only to be left in the dark. LIFX Smart Switch to solve this simple problem with advanced tech. This switch makes every single light in your house controllable at the source, regardless of whether it's off or on. That goes for both standards, boring old light bulbs, as well as smart lights. What that means is your entire home can be connected for easy and ready-to-use smart lighting whenever you want it. For such a common problem, the LIFX Smart Switch presents a truly smart solution. KEARA is our next gadget. Upon holding this blade for the first time, you will immediately notice the pride in design. The weight and balance of this blade is frankly phenomenal. When open, the slightly tail-heavy design lets the blade naturally fit in your hand, giving you a strict sense of control. The carefully machined aluminum scales are soft to the touch, however careful details ensure a firm grip. This high-quality folding blade features our durable Tanto profile, paired with a buttery smooth action and quick open flipper. This medium-size folder is capable of a 3.75 inches blade. The slim design keeps a low profile in your pocket. The details you will see throughout take this blade a step above the rest. VULCAN Security Chain and Lock Kit is our next gadget. The case-hardened chain cannot be cut by hand with bolt cutters, and the lock includes a maximum security mechanism for ultimate protection. The square link shape of the chain does not allow bolt cutters to get a proper grip, and the lock has been specially designed to be nearly impossible to grip with burglary tools. If you do not have the keys, you literally need an acetylene torch to defeat this chain and lock kit. The solid forged brass one-piece body padlock has an exclusive shape and design that cannot be defeated with any normal burglary tools. No other lock and chain kit on the market is made of stronger materials or has a more difficult design for criminals to defeat. The case-hardened, square-link security chain has an electro-galvanized finish for maximum corrosion protection, and it is fully covered in a Cordura wear pad to protect against scratching on valuable tire rims, paint jobs, powder coating, or other finishes. This anti-theft kit works perfectly as a bike chain and bike lock, motorcycle chain and motorcycle lock, trailer chain and trailer lock, or ATV chain and ATV lock.
Let your children learn while playing. This AR Smart Globe is a fun and interactive way to engage with history and geography. Travel back in time to 80 million years ago and interact with dinosaurs, without leaving home, to enjoy the beauty of the world's famous attractions, to understand the habits of various animals and distribution areas. You can get all these on this globe. Real-time point reading with a pen and real-life voice introduces interesting knowledge, subverting the traditional globe, which is more like a child's personal tutor, while learning about countries, capitals, and other important details. The game section is the most distinctive. The globe can interact with children to play games so that children can have the joy of gaining knowledge. 10 AR themes. More interesting themes for you to explore.
Govee Glide Hexa Pro light panels are our next gadget. These light panels can take your Christmas decor to the next level, a one-of-a-kind product that's changing the lighting game. These lights combine dynamic flowing effects and eye-popping 3D for an unforgettable lighting experience. Find the Christmas lights that express your mood or celebrate your favorite holidays with our diverse mix of scene modes. Change up your scenes in one tap and watch the colors naturally transition from one scene to the next. Panels are designed for those who think outside the box with their lighting. One adapter supports up to 25 panels. Preview your design on the app and start the creative process. With music mode, you can experience concert lighting at home. Choose your favorite beats and select the direction for the lights to flow for energetic dance parties, intense game nights, or gentle vibes for date nights. Mini Pocket Bolt Action Pen has been designed to fulfill your needs for a pen in every manner, and it can be used in many areas of your life without taking up too much space. The front of Mini Pocket Bolt Action Pens features a tactile helix that helps improve your finger grip when writing, so you can maintain more control over each smooth swoop of the pen, such as filling out forms, taking notes, portability, design, etc. These pens are great for quick notes and signatures throughout your day. The deep carry pocket clip makes Mini Pocket Bolt Action Pen a joy to carry. It sits deep in your pocket and doesn't get in the way. Pocket clips are also made of titanium. It's designed with quality precision. These pocket clips make it easier to keep attached to your shirt or pant pocket, notebook, writing pad, or other books. Clips can be subject to wear over time, so you can easily fix your worn clips and continue to use them with T15 Torque screw. It provides a secure and elegant mechanical lock without parts that will wear out or break. The bolt action has an extremely satisfying feel that is fun to fidget with. Today our last gadget is Kids Kick Scooter. Full visibility from every side with a lightweight smooth cruise ride. The Mars is made for high visibility, style, and fun. The wheels and deck use light up LEDs. Kids can kick and push them around with ease and safety. The low deck makes it easy to balance while the super smooth shock absorbing wheels give you easy cruising. Our scooters use full contact rear brakes for a fast easy stop without a lot of force. Jetson folding scooters give you the best ride on two wheels. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.